Today is Friday. May the 4th be with you. And this is the ServiceMonster Show.
This week, marketing to millennials.
I get raw with cancellations.
And new release, Mobile Technician 1.0.8. This week in social media, Instagram is getting some updates. Recently, they added a new video chat feature, which I thought Instagram already had. Maybe I'm just behind on things. Anyways, it's there for your information. They're also adding an option for third-party users to purchase AR filters, which is augmented reality. You really gotta see it to believe it. When I watched the video, I was pretty amazed. Maybe this isn't, again, such a new thing, but it's gonna be a pretty effective tool for marketing for your business, so take a look at it. Facebook's posted some videos.
Of course, I'm not gonna let May the 4th go by and not talk about Star Wars. And top of mind of everybody right now is May 10th, the release of Solo. Super excited. I'm sure everyone in the geekdom world is too. Anticipated first opening revenue of $160 million, which is supposed to top all box office charts. When I did a little digging, trying to find something interesting to throw your guys' way, a speed bump, I discovered that it was originally an anthology, which was where my mind went. How can you limit Solo's story to one movie? But the directors wasn't working out so well. They got canned about halfway through the production, and they bought in a big gun, Ron Howard. So his name's all over this now. Their name is not. You'll find them maybe on the producer's credits, and that's about it. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing with it, and may the force be with you. This just in, it's actually May 25th.
Advertising to millennials. That was the title of an article I read on cleaningbusinesstoday.com. Caught my attention because, yes, I am a millennial. And I was curious, how do you advertise to us? And some of the things I read, a lot of it was social media driven and having a clean site and good content, things like that, which are all good things. What I'm gonna highlight for you is being active on social media. And I may be one of those rare millennials that I don't like spending a ton of time on my phone. I actually like to take breaks and take time away from the screens. But for those that are coming up, there's going to be a lot more screen time. Unfortunately, it's just everywhere. We can't avoid it. So being active on social media is going to be really important for your business. For more details, go ahead and visit thecleaningbusinesstoday.com and look up that article. This week in Smug. Colby asked this week, can you mass email invoices to, say, one person? Say you have a bunch of invoices and you need to get them to that one person. Yes, you can. What you want to do is use billing statements under the account page. That way you can include a bunch of different invoices, the total, everything you need for both your customer and yourself, and send multiple invoices out to that customer directly.
Brent asks about service item pictures. They're in Technician now, and they're a pretty hot item, and they look really good on the desktop. You can kind of see in that sidecar what's going on. And he asked, are we getting updates for Mobile 3 or maybe even Mobile 2? Sorry guys. Not going to happen. Mobile 2 and Mobile 3 are code dead, Mobile 3 especially. We just got to get this product out. Mobile Pro has got to replace Mobile 3, and everyone knows it. So I am anxious to push them forward on this project, so I'm closing that one down.
Paul was wondering if there's a way to view images not from just the order screen, but also from the account screen. Well, Paul, there will be. We're working on it. This is a tracked issue, and we want to add an image tab. We can click on that and see all the images from the order, the account, service items, etc. It'll be really easy to access and use.
This week inside ServiceMonster. This week's ask was on business partners. And as many of you know, we have 5 actual owners within ServiceMonster. And so I have a lot to say on the topic, both good and cautionary. It's a good topic, well received. Go check that out.
This week, as far as training videos go, I made a bunch of smaller fixes on old videos, which is an important part of the process. You got to make changes as things get updated. So we like to keep you with the freshest, if you will, and most accurate information. We're also working on some FMS videos. I recently attended a meeting for Fill My Schedule, and it included some of the newest employees just to get them on board and understanding what this thing is. Learned a lot of new information that I'm excited to pass on to you.
So I'm a pretty optimistic guy. I talk a lot about positivity, and that's what I project both internally and to our clients. But I'm a realist too. We look for the problems to solve, the weakest link in the chain. Iterative cycles, right? I'm big on that. And some things I don't talk about are some of the pain, because they're transient. It's temporary. You get a team together, you address the issue, and then you move on. But I want to take a minute and talk about cancellations. Not necessarily because it is directly relevant to you, but this is where my mind's at, and this is the pain that I've been feeling over the last month or so. As you know, the onboarding and sales staff pretty much evaporated overnight within the last 2 or 3 months. And so replacing them with some new young guns and getting them trained up has been an interesting journey. That has caused the amazing amount of sales that we've increased over the last 3 months. And we're talking plus 200% here. And then letting them go. Stephanie's done an amazing job with the video training, and a lot of the millennials are just coming in, they get it, they love it. And I'm seeing more on the boards about that. 3-month-old customers saying how much they love ServiceMonster. And that heals my heart, because this is a major issue and something we're addressing. Again, it's temporary though. So the team is coming together with new onboarding plans and new cancellation policies. Of course, we're going to let you cancel if you want to go. We're not going to try to do like that whole Comcast thing where you got to go through 900 hoops to get there. But there's some things on our end we need to understand, being empathetic about why people left so that we can take actionable change and make sure that that doesn't happen with clients in the future. So I just wanted to share my pain a little bit because I often so much share my optimism. ServiceMonster product updates.
This week, I made a release video for Mobile Technician 1.0.8, which is a new release, and included a lot of information in there for you guys. It's only about 2.5 minutes long, so really take the time out of your day just to sit down, watch that real quick if you want the latest updates. Joe mentioned last week SendJim Radius Bomb. We've included that. Yes, it's really easy to use. I've played with it myself. You just click a button and it really does the task for you. You have to be set up, of course, in your ServiceMonster 6. On the order screen, you can also now download a PDF of an order and also change the print style on it, which is pretty awesome. There's many more features and fixes that happen, so like I said, go watch the video, 2.5 minutes, you'll be happy you did. For the details, you can also view the release notes as well on our blog.
6.2.4.10. Some of you guys have asked, what's that last thing about, that fourth digit? That's the build number, and we reserve those for hotfixes, where we fix something very quickly, high priority that needed to get fixed. And this is the case this week with job notifications. They suddenly stopped working, and a few of you let me know about that pretty quick. I went to the team yesterday morning, we found the issue, and it was fixed within a few hours. So I appreciate you guys pinging me as soon as you know something has happened or something doesn't go right. Don't assume that everyone else is calling us or letting us know. Just go ahead and reach out. That's the fastest way we're going to be able to fix those issues. On a side note, we're also putting some processes in place so we're notified on critical areas, like client communication. As far as I'm concerned, the engineers should have received an email letting them know immediately something was wrong, which is the process we're going to be implementing here in the future. From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out the demo.
And give us a call.